Aloha, welcome to Appy's with Chappy by the lake. So we got some Tex Mex Chicken Tacos. See here how I made them. All right, for today, for Appy's with Chappy by the lake, we're going to make some chicken tacos. I got some Old Fart cheese. Sorry, that's Old Fort cheese. Now I got these really good, it says authentic style corn tortillas. Now the thing about these, they're not pliable at all, and if you try to maneuver them, they're gonna break like that. I want to turn these into hard tacos and shape them, but because they're not pliable, we're gonna need to nuke them for like 30 seconds. So I'm just gonna pop them in the microwave. And just wait and see, they'll be pliable. Alright, we'll check on them. Ooh, look. Yeah, they're nice and pliable now. Alright, I want to shape them into taco shells. So I'm just going to get some foil here. Alright, I'm just going to make sort of little taco holders. Alright, I'm trying to film and do this with one hand, but you get the gist. I just form the foil into little ready-made taco forming devices. Alright, so I'll build a couple more of these and get it in the oven at 350 and just bake until they're crispy. These ones I like, I don't like them crispy, I like a little chew on them. So you just kind of got to get a feel for that. But I'll finish that up and then I'll assemble my taco. Alright, so this is just how I like them. There's a little bit of give. If you leave them longer, they'll be like crispy, just like a store-bought taco shell. But this is perfect for me. So I'll go a little bit of chicken, a little bit of salsa, some freshly cut serrano peppers. You got some kick, and then pickled jalapenos, cilantro, and some fresh tomato. Oh, and I forgot about the Old Fart cheese. We'll get some Old Fart. It's just cheddar cheese. And that is my chicken taco with authentic corn tortilla shell. So I got my Tex Mex Chicken Tacos. We need a beverage to go with Appy's with Chappy by the lake. So today I just have some sake, Japanese sake. Now you can have it chilled or hot. It's not very warm today, and I got a little chill, so we got some hot sake. Oh, very nice. Now you might be wondering, do Tex Mex chicken tacos go with Japanese sake? The answer to your question is absolutely, but you can't call it sake. You have to call it what Blake Shelton would call it, which is rice wine. So you have to enjoy your rice wine with Tex-Mex tacos. We'll see if it works. I'm gonna have a little rice wine with my Tex-Mex tacos. Delicious. Thank y'all for joining me on Appy's with Chappy by the Lake, and that's another episode. So make sure you hit that notification bell, and I'll stop talking like Blake Shelton saying rice wine. This is Chappy saying life is hard, that's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.